Imagine an unplayed game of chess with a certain loser. Seems impossible, doesn't it? But in the enchanting world of chess, the impossible often becomes possible. Let me take you on a journey to a unique event. A grand chess tournament was in progress. The atmosphere was buzzing with anticipation. There was one participant, a renowned grandmaster from a distant land, who stood out with his unmatched skills and strategies. On the day of the final game, his opponent, a local champion, was nowhere to be found. The crowd waited, the anticipation growing with each passing minute. The grandmaster sat patiently, his gaze fixed on the untouched chessboard. The clock ticked away, and just as the final minute was about to end, the local champion rushed onto the stage, his face flushed with embarrassment. He apologized for his tardiness and reached out to make his first move. But before his hand could touch a single piece, the grandmaster stopped him. He announced, "I've already won." The crowd gasped. The local champion stared in disbelief. How could he lose a game that hadn't even started? The grandmaster explained, "Being late to a game of chess is more than just a breach of etiquette. It's a sign of disrespect towards the game and your opponent. You've lost not because of the moves you didn't make, but because of the respect you didn't show." And just like that, a game of chess was lost without a single piece being moved. A reminder to all of us that in chess, as in life, respect for time, opponent, and the game itself can often be the deciding factor between victory and defeat. In conclusion, in the realm of chess, the game isn't always won or lost on the board. Sometimes it's the unmade moves, the unspoken words, and the unsung respect that determine the outcome. This tale is a testament to the fact that a chess game isn't merely about strategy, it's a reflection of character, of respect, and of life itself.